How to make a collage on Snapchat Story. Open the Snapchat app. In the camera section, click on Explore icon. In the search bar, write Snapchat Collage. Choose from here and use the one you like. Just tap on it. You can see collage keys ready. You can use the picture from gallery, or you can also capture it. Now click on Next. Click on My Story and Send. Here your collage is shared to Snapchat Story successfully. That is how you can create a collage on Snapchat Story. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.